Hey there, survey researchers! Welcome to the first video in the Survey Quality Predictor Coding Walkthrough series. In this tutorial series, we will guide you through the process of coding a question into SQP so that you can generate your very own quality prediction. Depending on your answer choices, the coding can lead to different paths. Therefore, we've designed this tutorial series to be interactive. You can choose which path to follow when you encounter a coding question that branches off in different directions. We've made some exceptions for questions that don't significantly impact the coding process to simplify things. This will make it easier for you to follow along and code with us in real time. First, make sure you have an SQP account and that you are logged in. Otherwise, coding will not be possible. You can then choose a question you want to code, such as this test question we've set up earlier. Make sure you have all of the necessary information for your question before you start coding. This typically includes a version of the questionnaire and, if available, show cards. Before we begin, I want to note that the test question being used may not perfectly align with the categorization in subsequent videos. For simplicity, we have created one question to explain the process of coding in SQP. As such, please pay attention to the details of your question, since the test question provided does not perfectly fit each scenario in the coding process. To start, click on the question and use the Code option here. This will take you to the coding interface, where the coding question will appear on the left and your completed coding will appear on the right. The pink box provides detailed information about the coding question. First, you will be asked the domain of your question, referring to the overall subject or topic. These domains might overlap, so choose the one that fits best. If you are unsure, refer to the coding instructions in the video description below. Based on your chosen domain, you will receive a follow-up question asking you to specify the domain further. If you don't find a fitting answer choice and think another top domain might work better, you can always use the Previous button to return to the last question. Next, we'll need to define the concept asked for, which means understanding what the researcher really wants to know. For example, are we asking about a belief or how important something is for a participant? This is the first question where your choice influences the coding path. If you want to choose one of the top 5 options, click on the video on the left to continue. For all other simple concepts, continue with the video in the middle. And for complex concepts, which means that your question combines 2 concepts, please continue with the video on the right. We'll see you in the next step. Thanks for watching.